kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and today we're gonna make Filipino chicken adobo. Adobo means to marinate in Spanish, and so we are going to marinate our chicken. And I've got these chicken leg quarters, skin on, bone in, and we're gonna chop those up into smaller pieces and then get them in our marinade. And here are the key ingredients. This is Filipino cane vinegar, as you can see right there, product of the Philippines. I got this on Amazon, and my colleague, Mr. Ellie, who is from the Philippines, got me this one. This is the traditional Philippine soy sauce, and it is lighter in flavor than Chinese soy sauce. So if you can get it, great. If not, don't worry, just use traditional Chinese or Japanese soy sauce. We're gonna use canola oil, vegetable oil is fine, and then oyster sauce. And this is beautiful oyster sauce, which you can find in most large grocery stores or an Asian market. And then black pepper, whole black peppercorns, bay leaves, and lots of garlic. And then we're gonna saute some onion when we're cooking our chicken and garnish it with some beautiful green onions on top. So let me get my mise en place together and start marinating this chicken for 2 hours before I can make the dish.
Please click like and subscribe so we can bring you more recipes.
And these are absolutely gigantic cloves of garlic, so I'm just gonna use 4 of these. However, if you've got regular sized garlic, 6 cloves would be great. I'm just gonna break this up and smash it. So after you smash and then remove the skins of your garlic, we're just gonna rough chop it, okay? We don't wanna have these super huge pieces. However, if you have a garlic press, by all means, use a garlic press and add this into your marinade. For our marinade, we're gonna start off with 1 cup of cold water. And to that, we're going to add our 1/3 cup of our Filipino soy sauce, 1/4 cup of the Filipino cane vinegar, 1 teaspoon of whole black pepper, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of white sugar granulated, 4 bay leaves, and all of our garlic. Wow, that smells good. All of that garlic in there. So just whisk it together, and then we can add in the chicken and then saran wrap this and get it in the fridge. Here we go. So I have 5 pounds of these chicken quarters. We're gonna get that in there. And then halfway through the marinating, we're gonna have to rotate the pieces and make sure that the marinade gets on all of these. So just make sure you tuck it in as best you can and get the marinade everywhere. In our skillet, I have 2 tablespoons of the canola oil over medium-high heat. And now we're gonna add in our onions and saute those until they are just a little golden on the edges. Now that I have just a little bit of light golden brown forming on the edges, I'm gonna take these onions, I'm gonna put them in a separate bowl so then I can sear our chicken. Our pan is nice and hot, and I'm gonna just add in our chicken pieces, drip off the excess marinade. We're gonna add that later, but we wanna sear our chicken pieces first. That's a nice big one. Once you have one side searing, then you wanna turn them over and sear the other side, get it nice and golden brown. There we go. Don't worry if it stuck to the pan, that's fine. Now that we've got it beautifully browned on both sides, we're gonna add back in all of our onions. I love onions. And we're gonna add all of our marinade back to it. There we go. Look at those beautiful bay leaves and all that garlic. All right, this is gonna taste phenomenal. I can't wait. And we're gonna put a lid on this, and we're gonna let this cook for a half hour and test the meat, but halfway through, around 15 minutes, we wanna turn them over, okay? This has been cooking for a half hour. Halfway through at 15-minute mark, I turned the pieces over, and you can see, look how beautiful. So I'm gonna serve this dish with some jasmine rice, and we're gonna ladle over the sauce like a gravy, and I cannot wait to try it.
You got
beautiful. I cannot wait to try it, but I'm gonna garnish it with some chopped scallions first and then dig in. Let me take a bite. That is so good. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to make it at home. This is our chicken adobo from the Philippines. And again, we use this soy sauce from the Philippines and the cane vinegar, some jasmine rice, and oyster sauce. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Loves YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.